Are you looking for a way to make cooking easier, faster, and more enjoyable? Introducing the Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker, the ultimate kitchen companion. With 9-in-1 functionality, this incredible device does it all. It's a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, sauté pan, sterilizer, warmer, and more. From soups and stews to perfectly cooked rice and desserts, it delivers delicious results every time. The easy-to-read display keeps you informed with a cooking progress bar, while the one-touch smart programs make preparing your favorite meals a breeze. And clean up? No problem. The fingerprint-resistant stainless steel and dishwasher-safe components make maintenance hassle-free. Right now, you can bring home the Instant Pot Duo Plus for 31% off. That's an unbeatable deal for an appliance that will transform your cooking routine. Don't wait. Upgrade your kitchen today with the Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1. Click the link below and take advantage of this amazing offer. Thanks for watching this review. As you saw on the thumbnail, the product featured in this video was available at a great discount when I uploaded it. However, discounts can change quickly, so make sure to check the description below for the latest offers and deals. If you're looking for amazing kitchen gadgets at discounts ranging from 10% to 60% off, be sure to subscribe to Upgrade My Kitchen. I always review products after gathering a lot of knowledge and checking customer feedback. That's why I feature top-rated and best-selling products that are perfect for upgrading your kitchen.